Assalamu alaikum grade 5. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn about addition. Addition of 8-digit numbers up to 10 millions. Dear student, this video will help you to solve your countdown exercise number 1B, that is on page number 7, question number 4, 5 and 6. Dear student, let me first know what is addition. Addition is the process of calculating the total of two or more numbers. When we add two numbers, we are counting them together as one large number. For example, 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Dear students, look at this addition sign. This addition sign shows that two numbers or things are being added together. This is why we put it between the numbers. Students, it is easier to use counting to solve problems. In real life, some people like to count with their fingers. When we are learning to add, it's okay to count using your fingers. The more we will practice, the easier it will get to add. Students, there are some properties of addition. First one is addition is commutative. It means order does not matter in addition. And second is repeated addition of 1 is the same as counting. And third one is addition of 0 does not change a number. Students, in our previous classes we have been doing addition to 6-digit numbers with regrouping. Here we will learn the addition of 7-digit and 8-digit numbers with regrouping. You can see the question is written, write vertically and add, and two numbers are given here to add. Adding very large numbers with 7 and 8 digits is simple. We must be careful while writing columns neatly and carefully and to work from the ones column first. Wrong placement of digits. As we know that we always start writing numbers from ones column from right side. So this is an incorrect way of placing digits of second number. Remember one thing, if we line up the ones place of two numbers correctly, then all the other digits would be lined up too. Correct placement of digits. Two numbers are given here and we have to add these two numbers. But before adding these two numbers, first step is to write all the digits of the given numbers vertically in their proper places. But before that, we will write place values at the top from the right side. So let's start writing the place values from the right side from ones column. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions and 10 millions. And then leave a line for your carry digits. After that, we will write the digits of first number from the right side from ones column. So let's write 1, 2, 1, 4, 6, 5, 3 and 3. After that, we will write the digits of second number from the right side from ones column. So let's write 5, 6, 5, 3, 7, 4 and 2. Students, remember one thing, that it is important to keep given numbers lined up to get the correct answer of the addition. Students, we can do addition of large numbers by writing one number below the other. After doing the correct placement of digits in their proper places, next step is to draw lines under them because our answer of the correct adding numbers would be written under these lines. And then we will put an addition sign on the left side of these numbers. So this is an addition sign. Students, here in this example, numbers are written correctly at their correct places. It is not a problem if there is no digit at any place on the left, for example. Here, second number has no digits at 10 million place. Now let's add these two numbers, as we know that our addition always starts from the right side from ones column. So at ones place we have values 5 and 1. So 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. At tens place we have values 2 and 6. So 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. And at hundreds place we have values 1 and 5. Use your mental math and tell me 1 plus 5. Yes, 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. At thousands place we have values 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. At 10,000s place we have values 6 and 7. 6 plus 7 is equals to 13. So we will write 13 as 1 carry at 100,000s place and 3 at 10,000s place. So at 100,000 place we have values 5, 4 and 1. So 5 plus 4 is equals to 9 and 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. We will regroup 10 as 1,000,000 and 100,000. So at millions place we have values 3 and 2 and 1. So 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 and 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Now at tens millions column we have only single value, that is 3, and it means we have nothing in second value. So 3 plus 0, or we can say that 3 will automatically come down. 3 plus 0 is equals to 3. So this is the way how we add two numbers. Now you will learn about terms used in an addition question. Addenda. And for singular we use addendum. The numbers we add together to get the sum is called addenda. Second is sum, or we can say total. The answer to an addition problem is called sum. Look at this addition sum. Each of its parts is given a special name in maths. Here, first value is called addendum and the second value is also called addendum. Addendum means the quantity or number to be added. The example has two addenda. Addenda, the plural form of addendum. And next is called sum. Sum is the answer to an addition problem. Now we will learn about words and phrases associated with addition. Add, plus, sum, more than, combine, increase by, all together. If you see that any question is written like this, write the number which is more than. More than is a keyword. So this more than keyword shows that we have to add these given numbers. Simply we will follow the previous method of addition to add these two numbers. So students, now I hope you are able to add 7 digits and 8 digit numbers independently. Keep practicing at your home. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.